Hidden beneath the dense canopy of the Amazon rainforest lies a forgotten world. In this video, we'll uncover how scientists are rewriting history with every scan, and what it means for our future. For much of modern history, the Amazon rainforest was believed to be a largely untouched wilderness, home only to scattered small indigenous tribes living in harmony with nature. This perception is rapidly being overturned by scientific breakthroughs that are revealing a very different story, one of vast, complex, and urbanized civilizations hidden beneath the dense canopy. A turning point in this discovery came with the use of LiDAR technology, light detection, and ranging, which sends laser pulses from aircraft or drones to map the terrain below. Unlike traditional ground surveys that are slow and limited by vegetation, LiDAR can pierce through the forest and unveil long-lost earthworks, roads, plazas, and settlements. These scans have shown that the Amazon, far from being an untouched wilderness, was once a hub of vibrant urban life. Leading the charge is Vinicius Parapado, a geographer with Brazil's National Institute for Space Research. His work with LiDAR and other remote sensing technologies has helped locate thousands of pre-Columbian earthworks, potentially numbering between 10,000 and 24,000 across the Amazon basin. These findings suggest that early Amazonians were not nomadic tribes, but rather part of sophisticated societies that built cities and carefully managed their environment. Historical accounts support this view. In 1541, Spanish friar Gaspar de Carvajal chronicled a journey through the Amazon, describing riverside cities teeming with people and infrastructure so dense, a pin dropped from the sky would land on someone's head. Though once dismissed as exaggerations, his accounts now seem credible. Key excavations have provided tangible evidence. Michael Heckenberger of the University of Florida uncovered the ancient city of Cujicugu near Brazil's upper Xingu River. Dated to over 1,500 years ago, this settlement featured wide roads, central plazas, housing complexes, and orchards, all within a defensive structure of ditches and wooden palisades. These were not primitive huts in the jungle, but planned garden cities capable of supporting thousands of residents. Elsewhere, in Bolivia's Llanos de Mojos, archaeologist Carla James Betancourt revealed monumental urban sites with geometric layouts, moats, and pyramid-like structures over 20 meters tall, some dating back 1,400 years. And in Ecuador's Upano Valley, Stephen Rostain and his team uncovered a 2,000-year-old metropolis composed of more than 6,000 earthen platforms, public squares, and a network of roads interlinking 15 separate urban centers. These cities, nestled deep in tropical forest, boasted grid patterns, irrigation systems, and signs of centralized planning. Perhaps most astonishing is how these civilizations thrived without destroying the rainforest. Ancient Amazonians managed the environment with astonishing care. They developed terra preta, or dark earth, highly fertile soil created by composting organic waste, charcoal, and ash. This technique transformed poor Amazonian soil into thriving farmland, creating a sustainable, circular agricultural system long before modern concepts of bioeconomy emerged. Modern scientists and companies are now attempting to recreate these soils, known today as biochar, for both agricultural use and carbon storage. This ancient innovation could help address some of today's most pressing environmental challenges. These civilizations also practiced what might be called forest gardening. They selected and propagated fruit trees and useful plants, effectively domesticating portions of the rainforest. As a result, many of today's biodiverse forests bear the fingerprints of human cultivation dating back millennia. The legacy of these lost civilizations goes beyond archaeology. Their ability to build sustainable urban societies in a rainforest environment offers crucial insights for today's world. As Eduardo Neves of the University of São Paulo notes, the goal isn't to return to ancient ways but to learn from them. These early Amazonians developed methods of land use, agriculture, and urban planning that allowed for high population densities without environmental collapse. The myth of the Amazon as a pristine jungle untouched by human hands is fading. In its place, we are beginning to see the rich and complex story of a land shaped by intelligent, innovative civilizations that lived in harmony with their environment. Their forgotten cities, now slowly being rediscovered, may yet hold the key to building a more sustainable future. If you found this journey through hidden history fascinating, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new discovery.